Alright, I'm busy today at this one shop. It's my third car. Crosstrek 2016, I think it is. Story is they put a used transmission in this and the harness was damaged. So they... Hold on. This thing's all falling apart. The harness was damaged. So they used the harness off of the old transmission. Subaru calls it a... Well, that's off there too. Subaru, I'm leaving it just like that. Subaru calls it a... what the hell do they call it? Cable? I think they call it a cord. They call it a transmission cord. So I'm going to just take a quick visual. I can see that is broken there. That ground strap's broken as usual. And this one looks like hell. It's all oiled. I don't know if it's broken or not, but okay. So let's poke around, look at some stuff, and run a scan report. I don't see anything out of the ordinary just yet. I'm waiting for this delivery truck to get out of the way so I can bring it in the shop and take a look underneath. I believe this is a CVT transmission. Not 100% sure on that. Does have a dipstick tube. I didn't see one. Supposedly this doesn't drive or something like that. I don't know, we might have to push it in if that's the case. I don't know if this has a dipstick tube. I don't see any tubing, so I'm not exactly sure how to check the fluid level. Hopefully they put the right fluid in it. And the differential doesn't have... This is different than what I'm used to seeing. Said that she took it and it drove fine for a couple days. Alright, let's see what we got. Just done scanning. Okay, so let's make a report here. Let's see what we got. Okay, transmission control system, fluid pressure sensor, torque converter, clutch pressure control solenoid. Okay, transmission, anything more? Input turbine shaft speed A sensor range performance. Transmission intermediate shaft speed. This harness is probably messed up. Pressure control solenoid B. Alright. Let's start up, see what happens. I'm gonna go inside the transmission module here. Whoa. Oh, what that was. What is that noise? I think this has electric power steering. Sounded like the power steering pump whine. I don't see nothing leaking. That was a weird noise. Probably won't do it again. Wonder if I caught it. Alright. Look at some data. Got everything going on. Oil, temperature. It's got to have something to do with that harness since they replaced it. Probably happened all at the same time, so I wonder if it'll actually do separate freeze frames. So 0 blocks before, 2 blocks before. I don't know what this is. 1 block before, 69.8 degrees. I just want to see if they're the same. Let's get 60. It's a little bit different temperature. Freeze frame. Let's just go to 0. 69. 2 blocks before. Still 69. 3 blocks before. 69. I don't think this is showing me anything. Yeah, oh well. I was hoping I could see if it happened at the exact same time or whatever. Let's see what happens if I put it in reverse. Nothing. It does move a little bit. Alright. Basically, this thing's dead. Let me look around. I don't know if I can pick this up, but I'm still waiting to try to get this thing inside, but little whine. I did this a couple times, and then after the one time it's like I don't know if you can hear that. I'm gonna review the video to see if you can hear it. It's like there you go, you can hear it. That's the transmission. Get this guy inside somehow. Sounds weird. I think we're dealing with a bad used transmission. Alright, I'm going to check the fluid level. I wasn't able to find a procedure on whether it's supposed to be running or not, but I think it's supposed to be running. All data doesn't have a check procedure. I'm going to have to dig around a little bit more. But this looks real crappy. I don't know if this thing has any fluid in it. You can hear it. Hold on. Well, he's over there setting the tires at 10,000 foot-pounds. But it's completely empty. Okay. Alright, that's it for this one. It either needs a transmission or the fluid level will be correct. I only added 1 quart. That's all they had on hand here. But it's bone dry. You can hear it whining. When it was in the air, I was actually able to get the wheels to go forward and backwards. But when it's down on the ground, it's not doing anything. So they got to get the right amount in there. They have to. My brother helped me find the procedure for checking it, and it's got to be between 95 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Idling, remove the plug and check it that way. But it's bone dry. I put 1 quart in. I don't think that's enough. I don't think they filled up I don't think they checked or filled the front differential either. So hopefully they didn't destroy it. That's it for this one.